In this video, we are going to install GNS3 and configure a iOS router. So we'll see the steps how to do. You can go to this link, GNS software download. So you can download the software here. I have already downloaded, and you can double click to install it. Then we need ISO image. For that you can go to this link. Here you can choose any of the ISO you want. Once these two steps are done, you can follow the steps what I am going to say now. So this is the image which I am going to use now. GNS3 is installed. This is GNS3. This is how it is there. So if you see the routers, we don't have any routers. Now we are going to add it. So go to edit. New project. Before going to the project, just go to edit, go to preferences, here dynamics iOS router. Here you have to add new, and you have to browse the iOS image which you have downloaded. This is the path. You can give yes. You can change the image you want. Then give next. Here default RAM. So here you can add slots if you want. So I'll just add 2 FE. So I can keep adding the number of slots I want. So slot 1 is like IFC card. I just add 3 or maybe 4 slots, and then I'll give next. And we have to give this idle PC finder. So this will initiate the processor. So it will take some time. Once idle PC finder is available, you will get this value has been found suitable for your iOS image. You can give OK. And then you can finish. You will get a random number like this, and you have to finish it. So now iOS is ready. You can give an apply and OK. See here, once you give apply, you can see this. So now we will see how to use this and configure. So we can create a new project, new blank project. We can give, I am just giving this project name. You can change this folder. So you can just drag and drop. So similarly you can add one more. To create connection between that, you have to use this link. Here we have added that slot 1, slot 2. So like that you can select the port which you want. This is 0/0 is connected to 0/0. So once this is done, minimal setup is ready, then you can start. This stop, and this is to start. Once you start, you can see all this turning to green. You can say yes. So it is started. If you want to see the nodes, you can just put here. Interface name. Then if you want to use the console, you have to click here and right click and give console. So this is the console. Second console, you can right click and give click the console, it will open in the same window. So this is the R1, this is R2. You can just see the show version whether so it is 15.4 M. Show interface descriptions. You can see the number of interfaces which we have configured. Show interface descriptions. So now to just between two nodes you can just give conf interface. We have connected 0/0. You can give no shut and see whether link comes up. WR to save the configurations. You can see the link state has come up. Fast Ethernet change state to 1. That's it. So now you can try to capture the packet also. We'll try to assign some IP address and try to capture and check. IP address. I'm just giving 11.11.1 as 255. I'm assigning this IP here. FA 0/0 IP address to 255.255.0. So you should be able to ping to. So ping is working. Now we can try to capture the packets and check. So to capture the packet, select this. Once it turns to red, you can give start capture. Between these two links it will capture. It starts capturing. Now we can try to give ping. So you can see you can stop, save or take the packet out. And you can give the save and you can take. So this is the minimal setup how to configure GNS3 by adding router. Using this you can learn any type of protocol you want using Cisco and Juniper or anything, any other hub or Docker. Even you can use Docker. We can see everything in the other videos. Thank you.